Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and we will be reviewing the Karcher vacuum window cleaner. So what does it do? Is it any good? So let's jump right into it. You're kind of wondering if actually what is the benefit and the value of it. So in short, when you're washing a window or a Velux or even maybe a kitchen cabinet surface or something like that, you are going to have to wipe it with a wet cloth, and then from there you're going to have to use a squidgy to then clean it down. What this does is through the gap here is when you turn it on, it acts like a vacuum in which it sucks in that wet water. And the idea is that rather than pushing the dirty water around the surface, it's sucking the water away and it gives a better, clean, streak-free view. Now, it's got a water container on the bottom here, which again is really easy to empty. It's got a huge volume on here, so you're going to get away with washing many windows. But is it any good? So let's have a look. First of all, how it actually works, and then I'll give you my assessment of whether it is any good or not. Okay, so in order to give this a really good test, I am going to need a very dirty Velux window. You can use obviously solution on this, which would help in terms of removing the muck. I'm literally just going to use a wet cloth here, and with that wet cloth I'm just going to show the result, just wetting it all over and then using the Karcher vacuum cleaner to clean it off. So let's see if it works. In order to show the before and after, I'm just going to give this a bit of a wet clean here. Okay, so you can see I've still got the dirty edge at the top there. Okay, now with this cloth, yes, it's going to pick up a little bit of dirt, but if I try and zoom in on that, you can see it's still pretty grubby, and if I let that go dry, then it's going to stay quite dirty. Here we go. Right, now obviously this here, if it had more water on it, might make a difference, but I'm just going to turn that on, jigging as much as I can of that off there. Okay, so what I'm finding is that the water is collecting in the bottom of this bucket here. So if I try to do it up at this dirty part, it's not really going to make much difference because it needs to be wet, and that's the point if I stop this. And I think that's an important point to make, that if you are thinking that the Karcher system is just a one-off, pick it up and you can just clean a window without having to prep it, you are wrong. You are going to have to spray the window, wet it, wash it, and then this acts as a vacuum cleaner. So really the value that this brings is twofold. One, it means that if you are squidgying a window, that you're not potentially going to get any kind of big drips that fall on the floor, because this will catch it. So when it comes to Velux windows that are inside and maybe you want to protect the carpet from the inside of the window, then this could be valuable. The other thing as well is it stops streaking. So obviously there are window cleaners out there that have been doing this many years and will achieve really good results. However, people like me that are just amateurs, using one of these, it is really easy to get a streak-free window. The disadvantage of these is that annoyingly Karcher, and it's a real pet hate of mine, they've gone for this really weird, unique charger. So they haven't used a USB-C, they haven't used something that's quite standard out there. It means that if anything goes wrong with a plug, you are not going to find an adapter that goes in here. You're not going to be able to find one off Amazon or some electrical supplier to easily provide that, which means that the plug itself is unique to this device. So if anything like me again, and you've got many gadgets around the house, you are bound to potentially lose that plug or maybe mislay it unless it has a home of its own. But let's be honest, this isn't going to be like a Hoover. You're going to get it out every now and then, and therefore the plug, you want to make sure that you do not lose that. The other big disadvantage with the Karcher system is that with this base, if you need to clean any windows that are up high, unfortunately getting a connector that straps into the bottom of this isn't feasible. They don't sell anything that I can find on the market, so unless you can get to it by hand, you are not going to be able to easily reach those high up windows, unfortunately. The other thing that's really frustrating is if you wanted to collapse this down into a smaller size, to remove this piece here, this is the small little hole that you have to put something in to be able to take this away. Why in the design they couldn't put a press button just to be able to easily store this if you want to keep it under a kitchen cabinet or something, but it means every time you're going to have to get the end of a spoon or a pin or something to open that up.
The other thing as well is that if I'm really honest, I can't see the huge value over just having a dry wiper. It is really good in terms of streak free, but unless you are doing large amounts of glass in your house, then to be honest, this is okay. I could see it being hugely valuable if you had it in a bathroom where you had maybe a shower screen or something like that. But when it comes to just the windows in your house, this may be a bit overkill. If therefore you've got bifold doors, you've got window screens, you've got maybe lots of surfaces in a kitchen, for example, on cabinets, this could be brilliant and it gives a real streak-free view. However, don't be fooled, you still are going to have to, unfortunately, treat that surface, wet it and clean it first of all. Really hope that that's helped you made your mind up whether you think it's a valuable gadget or not. I quite like it. I might keep it and actually use it every now and then. With Velux windows like this, it's always valuable to be able to do that because I worry about the drips getting inside the house. So I think actually there is a value there for it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, please subscribe.